Hey everyone, it's Char from Char's Fashionish. Remember that smoothie thing? All right, so I have one apple, let's see what else, two peaches, well, 1.5, applesauce, right, and a pear in here so far. So this is the applesauce. As you can see, I just got done cutting that up. Then we're going to, that's why I have that knife there. Then we're going to, I caught like some of the cinnamon on that by accident. Anyway, so we're going to put this in, but we're also going to put in some matcha, vanilla, honey, cinnamon, and ginger without Marianne. So I'm going to put all these in here. I put these in a particular order. So, yeah. So I normally start with the cinnamon, then the honey, or sometimes I switch it out to the vanilla and then the honey. But also don't forget your ginger without Marianne. And a splash of matcha. So hold on. So the cinnamon is in. And then the ginger, because you could probably tell that's in there. 3 nice churns of honey. There you go, you can see that right there. A sploosh of vanilla, it's right there. A light dusting of matcha. I'm going to put a second dusting of matcha in there in a moment. Yogurt, I know that doesn't look like a lot, but it's yogurt and it's in there. Okay, I put some more cinnamon, as you can see. I haven't added more matcha yet, but I also added more honey and a couple of more splashes of vanilla. Now this is the Ninja blender. I splashed water on there by accident. Oh well, there's matcha powder on it, so it needed to be wiped down. So I have it plugged in and I hit this button here. It has a timer. So when the timer is done. Okay, so as you can see, it is done on that setting, and then I just take it on this one. Okay, so over here in the kitchen portion, my son is cooking breakfast, so...
Sauteing mushrooms at the moment.
Oh, love that. So... we have sausage in there, and this is what's going in breakfast. So I did slice the avocado. So this is done blending. Y'all, this smells really, really good. So it's kind of a cooking with Char and Steve again. I'm doing the drink and I did cut. You know, it's kind of funny because we got a lot of green. Oh yeah. I took a hollow taco color over that, and it's a multi-chrome. That was a piece of avocado. Avocado nails, right? But yeah, and I even took that over these ones too, so you know there's not a weird illusion going on, but this is going to be good with breakfast. But you do know we start off every morning with Death Wish coffee, because once you've had Death Wish, no other coffee matters. And they have a new flavor, which I will be getting.
Char.
Yeah. So here's the breakfast portion. We'll get to the other cups in a moment for the smoothies. So we got avocado over there, which is about to go on my plate. What all did you put in the egg, other than egg?
I did find some tomatoes. I put that in. Green bell pepper, red bell pepper, pepper jack cheese. The rest of that garlic goat cheese. Because there was only a little bit left.
Yeah.
So I just threw the rest.
And then this is, for me, this is the gluten-free garlic bread.
And an onion.
Yeah. Madam, get down. Down. She seems to think she needs to eat with the You're not getting everybody's breakfast. Anyway, so I'm gonna try this. You know it's gonna be yummy. The egg. Get some avocado too. That right there. Okay, so avocados in this. Gotta try that. And the toast, but yeah, no, that was so good.
Yeah, like I said, I accidentally bombed it.
Yeah, he accidentally burnt the edges. It's edible.
No, it's not burnt, it's flavor.
Rob will eat anything like that. He got used to it.
But
So,
you've been good all morning. You went outside.
this was really good. And it's healthy.
Oh, I even put some of that spinach sprouted in with eggs.
Oh, that's right. That's why it's green, I bet. So
you're getting all this healthy food.
Exactly. You're getting your tomatoes, you're getting your avocados, your onion. You're just getting an abundance of yummy goodness. And this right here would be considered a well-rounded meal because you also have your carb. I used to do breakfast like this, like every day when I was able to do weightlifting, because you would need that powerful protein breakfast, and I still eat that. So my diet is protein and low carbs, but carbs in there. But so a high protein diet actually helps with muscle and a lot of other things. So anyway, we'll get that one stuff poured in a minute. And now for this. Anyway, this is good. Oh my gosh, that is so good. Did you try it, Rob?
Yeah.
A drink.
No, I didn't.
I think it tastes good. Steve thinks it tastes good. One of my secret ingredients was a sploosh of this.
Define whatever that word is.
Sploosh. It's like a splash, but it's a sploosh. So, anyway. So, remember to stay happy, stay healthy, stay positive, and as always, stay blessed. Remember to tell Steve thank you in the comment for helping out with the cooking. Rob helps out with the cleaning. And yeah, maybe later we'll do a vacuum, food vacuum seal video later, maybe. But meanwhile, I'm gonna eat this. I'll see you in the next one.